Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can grab text and symbol grades using GradeTransferer. I'll model how to do this in Google Classroom, but the process is similar in our other supported platforms. So in my assignment where I have text grades, a check mark, I can grab these types of scores by going to the extension, clicking on the hamburger button, and I toggle convert check and text grades to on. A pop-up will tell you that the score converter is going to open so that you can tell GradeTransferer how you want these types of scores converted. Now, before we set those rules, let's go and look at how they're grabbed without any score conversion rules. So in your gradebook, now that we've toggled that on, just click Grab Data, and those scores will grab. Missing, excused, and the check mark is grabbed as the word symbol. If you like the way that this information looks, then you can just go ahead into your next gradebook and fill that data. If you don't, we can use Score Converter. So let's go back over there, go down to Score Conversion Singular, and I can set rules for anything that I have grabbed, how I want it filled. Missing could be a 0, excused can be the letter E, for example. Now that check mark was grabbed as the word symbol, we can make that a 100, whatever you like. Once your rules are set, go back to GradeTransfer, and we can grab again. Grab data, and voila. Those symbol and text grades were grabbed, but they were converted using the rules that we had set up. I can go to my next gradebook and fill them in. That's all for now. Happy transferring.